This AI phone is correcting my English mistakes in real time, and I didn't even realize how basic I was speaking. Can I really become fluent in one day?
Challenge accepted.
An educational channel using AI as a creative assistant. All content is independently scripted.
Wait, what happens next will surprise you. You will be speaking fluent English in no time.
I remove the grease from the stove.
Try this. I degrease the stove.
I remove mess from room.
I am decluttering my room.
I remove the old food from the fridge table. Try this. I clear out the expired food from the fridge.
Remove the cobwebs from the corners.
No, say instead, I clear out the
Cobwebs from the corner. I remove stains from wall after that.
Try advanced English. I am scrubbing off the stains.
Scrubbing off the stain. I remove dirty things.
No use advanced English. I am getting rid of the mess.
I am getting rid of the mess.
Wait, what happens next will surprise you.
I am clearing the table.
I am clearing the table.
I remove the dust. I remove the dust.
I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room.
No, say this. I am tidying up my room.
I am tidying up my room.
I removed the dust. I remove the dust.
No, try this. I am wiping off the dust.
Okay, fine. I am wiping off the dust. I remove the garbage from room.
No, say instead, I am taking out the trash.
I am taking out the trash.
If you still saying remove, stop. Here is what to say instead. Golden chance to correct yourself.
I have a challenge for you. How would you say this in advanced English? I remove the water spots from the mirror. Comment your answer below. I remove the bed sheet.
I am changing the bed sheet.
I am changing the bed sheet.
I remove everything from table.
I am clearing the table.
I am clearing the table. I remove dirty things.
No use advanced English. I am getting rid of the mess.
I am getting rid of the mess.
If you keep using remove in every sentence, your English will sound basic forever.
Really? I didn't know that. I remove stains from wall after that.
Try advanced English. I am scrubbing off the stain.
Scrubbing off the stain.
I remove bad smell. I get rid of bad smell. I remove dirt from floor. Oh. No, try this. I am mopping the floor, okay? I am mopping the floor.
Remove the cobwebs from the corners.
No, say instead, I clear out the
Cobwebs from the corner.
Before we wrap up, quick reminder. Earlier in the video, I gave you a challenge with the sentence, I remove the water spots from the mirror.
I remove the crumbs from the table.
Why don't you use advanced English? I wipe the crumbs off the table.
I remove the old food from the fridge.
Don't say.
Try this. I clear out the expired food from the fridge. I remove the grease from the stove.
Try this. I degrease the stove.
I degrease the stove.
I remove the hair from the drain.
Or try instead. I unclog the drain and pull the hair out
I removed the laundry from the washing machine.
Try this. I take the laundry out of the washing machine.
I remove clothes from chair.
I am putting the clothes away.
I am putting the clothes away.
I remove mess from room.
I am decluttering my room.
I am cluttering my room.
Okay, I have a challenge for everyone watching. How will you say this in advanced English?
I remove the stains from the sink. Now it's your turn. Comment below how you will say this sentence in advanced English. And if you want to speak English like this every day, don't miss the next lesson, because next time we will upgrade your speaking even more.